This is advanced maths. Advanced maths for class 9, and this is a question from exercise 4.3. I am going to do only some of the tough question. I am going to tell you the way, the techniques, how you will factorize it, how you are going to factorize it. So here you will see that I am going to keep this term. I am not going to disturb this term. I am going to only disturb these two terms. So what will happen, you see, x cube, y cube, x minus y. So this will be y4 z cube minus y3 z4 plus z4 x cube minus z cube x4. So always remember, there are two plus terms and two minus terms. They will remain. If there are three plus terms, then there must be three minus terms. So if there are two plus term and two minus term, that means your process is correct. Similarly, if there are three plus terms and three minus terms, then your process is correct. So how we are going to solve it? So here you see, from this I am going to find out x minus y. So how to find out x minus y? So let us take these two terms. So x cube y cube, x minus y, y4 z cube minus z cube x cube, x4. Again here, z4 x cube minus y cube z4. Here you see. Now here again, x cube y cube, x minus 4y. Here I am going to take z cube common, so y4 minus x4, and here I am going to do z cube common, z4 common, so this will be x cube minus y. Okay then, here your z cube common, so x4 minus y4. Here this is your z4 common. So here this is y4, so I am going to take minus common here. X cube y cube, x minus y, here minus common z cube, x4 minus y4, so this will be x minus y, x plus y, and then x square plus y square, and here this will be z4, x minus y, a cube minus b cube formula, x square plus xy plus y square. So from these three sets, I am going to take x minus y common, x minus y common. So here will be x cube y cube minus z cube, x plus y, x square plus y square, and here it will be z4 x square plus xy, and then y square. Now from here I am going to open this, so this will be x minus y, x cube y cube, z cube, so this will be x cube plus xy square, so again here yx square plus y cube. Now this will be plus z4 x square plus z4 xy plus z4 y square. So this is your terms. Now I'm going to insert this. x minus y, so this will be x cube y cube minus z cube x cube minus z cube xy square, and then this will be minus z cube yx square minus z cube y cube, and here again plus z4 x square plus z4 xy plus z4 y square. From here let me see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 negative terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means your process is correct. Now I am going to search y minus z. So y minus z. Y minus z. This is y minus z. Y minus z again. x4 x here this and this will give you y minus z. There you can see. And now again this z cube y z cube this y minus z, y minus z, this and this will give you y minus z, and what is happening here, this means z4 y4 y square, and here it is from these two we will get y minus z, y minus z. So here you see x minus y, so this will be x cube common y cube minus z cube, and here this and from these two terms we are going to get plus x y z cube, x y z cube, so this will be z z minus y. Again from these two we are going to get, that is z cube x square, so here remains z and here remains minus y, and from here this from these two we are going to get z cube y square, so this will be z minus y. So now here you see that means x minus y, so this will be x cube, this is y minus z y square plus yz plus z square, and here again minus common, so x y z cube, this will be y minus z. Here again minus common, so this will be z cube x square y minus z. Again here again minus common, z cube y square y minus z. You are going to get this. Now you take y minus z common, so x minus y, y minus z. So what is the remaining terms? The remaining terms are x cube y square plus yz plus z square, and here it remains x y z cube x square minus z cube y square. This is it. Now you expand it. This is x minus y minus z, so this will be x cube y square x cube yz plus x cube z square, and here this will be minus x y z cube minus z cube x square minus z cube y square. So again I am going to see there are 3 plus terms and 3 minus terms, so it is correct. Now I am going to search z minus x. Z minus x. So z minus x. So z minus x here, z minus x. This term. So this term and this term. If you take y square common, you are going to get z minus x. Now again, this term and this term, you are going to get z minus x. This term and this term, you are going to get z minus x, and again here you are going to get z minus x. So see, this is x minus y, y minus z. Now here this, you are going to take y square common, so this will be x cube minus z cube. Again here, these two, here we are going to take x, y, z common, so this will be x, y, z common. We are going to take x, y, so this will be x square minus y square. Here x square and here y square. Y, z has been removed here. So here x cube, x square remains here. And here, which one? This and this, this and this, this and this. From this and this, we are going to get, that is x square, z square. So x square, z square, here we are going to be x minus, this is x, and here this is z, we are going to x minus z. So here see, we get here this one. What has happened here? This one and this one. X, okay, this is z square, z square, this is z square. So now you see here, this becomes x minus y, y minus z. We have to take minus common to get z minus x. So this will be y square z minus x, z square plus xz plus z square, and here this will be your again minus common, so this will be x y z, so z minus x and z plus x, and here again minus common, x square z square, this is z minus x. So now here I am going to take z minus x common, so this will be x minus y, y minus z, so this will be z minus x. Now the remaining terms is left here, this is minus x square z square minus x z y square minus y square z square, and here this is x y z square, and this minus x square y z square, and here minus x square z square. So now I have removed all this. So here again, because all these are minus, we will take minus common, and when we take minus common, x square y square z square, and here this is x square z square, x square z square, x y z y square z square. So let me take minus common here. If we take minus common, x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. So here this will be x square z square plus x z y square plus y square z square plus x y z square plus x square y z square plus x square z square. This remains here. This remains here. So this is how we solve this question. Uh, how we solve this question? We keep this constant and then expand it. And from here we try to find out x minus y. And after finding this x minus y, we take out the common. And then again we expand it. So again I have expanded. And next time I am going to find y minus z. After finding y minus z, we take y minus z common. Again we expand it. And at the last stage we are finding out z minus x. So we remove z minus x. And the last, which is taking minus common, this is your last factorization. So this is how sums are being solved. That means you have to keep this constant x minus 1, you expand it, and then you try to find out x minus y, and after that you take x minus y common, again you expand it, and again you find y minus z, and after that you expand it, that is the remaining which is left, and this is how we solve these questions. Now see, second question. I'm going to solve only maximum three. I just want to show you the procedure, the technique how to solve the questions, these big questions. You have to develop yourself, and then I'm just telling you the techniques. Some of the big questions I'm going to solve only maximum three most probably. So I am going to give you the technique how to solve it. Now you have to solve the problem. So here again I am going to keep this constant. I am going to keep this as constant. So here that means x cube, this will be y minus z, y plus z, and now I am going to expand this, y cube z square minus y cube x square plus z cube x square minus z cube y square. So now I will try to find out this y minus z in here. So y minus z, this and this term, and here these two terms. So here you see x cube, y minus z, y plus z, and here you will find that here this is y square, z square will be common, so here will be y minus z, and here you x square, let us take minus, when we take minus x square, so this will be y cube minus z cube. Now I am going to take y minus z as common, y minus z common, so here this will remain as x cube y plus z, and here this will be y square z square minus x square, and again y minus z, y square plus yz plus z square. Here you see. I have taken this common. So since I have taken this common from here, so taking this common from here, so here this will be only x square y square plus yz plus z square, and this will remain here because I have taken y minus z common from the three sets. Now again y minus z, I am going to open it, x cube y plus x cube z, here this is y square z square minus x square y square minus x square yz minus x square z square. So here you see there are 3 plus term and 3 minus term. So again y minus z, so here let us select, one is x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. we have selected z minus x. We have selected it. Now between these two we can select any one. Oh sorry, we have selected this y minus z. So between these two we can select any two. So let us take x minus y. So x minus y, if you take this and this, you are going to get x minus y. Again, if you take this one, x square z common, this one and this one, you are going to get x minus z, and last here z square common, you are going to get x square minus y square. So here this and this term, here you are going to take x square y common, so x minus y. Here this one. Now from these two we are going to get x square z, so x minus y. And last these two, from these two we are going to take minus z square, so we are going to get x square minus y square. So from here we are going to take common y minus z, x minus y. So this remains x square y plus x square z minus z square and x plus y. Now again I am going to expand it. So this is y minus z, x minus y, and here x square y, x square z minus z square x minus z square y. Now there are two plus term and two minus term, so this is y minus z, x minus y. Last is this your z minus x. So z minus x, this and this you are going to take. Here this will be z minus x. We are taking y common, so x square minus z square, and here we are taking xz common, so this is x minus z. Now let me take this x minus y, this is y minus z, x minus y. I am going to take x minus z common, so here this will be y, x plus z, and this is x z remains here. So let me take minus common here, so y minus z, x minus y, and z minus x. So here remains xy plus yz plus zx. So this is your answer. Means we try to keep the cycle like this: x, y, z, x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. We try to keep the cycle like this. So this is your answer. Now I am going to solve this same procedure. So I am going to select this b minus c. So first of all, I am going to take out b minus c common from here. Then I will take out a minus b common, and then c minus a. The same procedure. So I am going to solve only 3 or 4 questions, not more than that, because the rest of that you can do it yourself. I am explaining you the procedure, how to solve these questions. The same procedure. Here now b minus c is my target, so b minus c I am going to search b minus c common in these two. So I am going to keep this as constant, a square, that is b cube minus c cube, plus here b cube c cube minus b cube a cube, plus this is b square. Let me check the question. this is b square. This is b square because here you see this is a square, c square, so this must be b square. So here there is a mistake here. There is a mistake here. So this will be b square c square, b square c square minus b square a cube c cube a cube plus c square a cube minus c square b cube. So this remains here. Now here, from here I am going to find out that is b minus c. Let us take this and this is, and from here you are going to get b minus c. So here this is a square b cube minus c cube, and from here from this two we are going to get b square c square. So here remains c minus b, and again from here we are going to take a cube common, so c square b square remains here. Now I am going to take minus common here to make it b minus c. So this will be b minus c, a cube minus b cube formula, a square plus bc plus c square, and here minus b square c square b minus c minus a cube b square minus c square. From here I am going to take b minus c as the common, so b minus c common. So here remains a square b square plus bc plus c square, and here remains b square c square minus a cube b plus c. Now I am going to expand this b minus c, so this will be a square b square bc a square c square minus b square c square minus a cube b minus a cube c. So again there are three positive terms and three negative terms. Now b minus c, after that I am going to find out either a minus b. So let me arrange a minus b. Let me take these two, a minus b. Again here if b minus c, a minus, I have to take a minus b. So if we take this and this, no, not this and this, again there will be a problem. Let me take these two. So here you see, from here I am going to get a square b common, so this will be b minus a, and from these two I am going to take this a square c, then I am getting b. I can't take common from these two because these two are plus items. I have to select a minus. This is from here b minus a. Let me take these two. From these two we are getting a square c. I have to take, I am finding out a minus b. So a minus b. So a minus b. So for a minus b, here this is the plus and a minus b, or these two terms. So here this is a square c common, so this remains here b minus a, and here your c square common, so here remains a square minus b square. If you take these two terms, then your a square c will be common, and here this is b and here a. Now I am going to take a minus, so this will be b minus c, this will be minus a square b, this and this and which one term? This one. So b, so this will be a minus b, again minus a square c common, this will be a minus b, and here this c square a plus b and a minus b. So I am now going to take a minus b as the common. If you take a minus b common, so it will be a minus b, b minus c, and your remaining terms is a square b minus a square c, and here c square a plus c square b. So here you see total number of terms are the same. Now I am going to take last is my c minus a, c minus a. So c minus a, c minus a. If you take these two, this and this, we are getting this is a minus b, b minus c, and here if you take these two, so you are going to get minus b common, a square minus c square, and okay, and here you are going to get ac common, so this will be a minus ac common, so here you are going to get ac common, sorry, here you will get c minus a, ac common, c minus a. I have taken care these two, so let me take instead of this, let me take, that is c minus a, b common, so this will be c square minus a square. Now I am going to take c minus a common, a minus b, b minus c, and then c minus a common. We are going to get b, c plus a, and then ac. So here you see a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, and this is bc plus ab plus ac. So this is your answer. This is your answer. I have put it. So here you see, here the question was earlier it was b cube, so I have to check because here it was b cube, so I have to make a recheck because it is not b square, it is not b cube. Earlier I had written b cube, so I had to check the question again. So it is not b cube, it is b square. So this is the same procedure. You have to, this is your target, that means b minus c is your first target. You open this and then you find b minus c, you take common, again you open it. Now you take any one target, either c minus a or a minus b, and then you take that if it is c minus a is your target, you take c minus a common, and again you expand it, and at last your target will be a minus b. So take out a minus b and expand it. So you will get the remaining answer, you will get the answer, and this is how the factorization are done.